Ethereal Cruise is our entry-level portable bike. It's the more popular one among our customers. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the specification and also the places you can bring around. Enjoy!
For those of you that follow Ethereal's past models, the Ethereal Cruise is somewhat of a successor to the former Ethereal ES20D model. It features an aluminum frame, which was chosen after taking the build quality and durability of the bike into consideration. Aluminum comes with benefits such as being more resistant to corrosion and rust, while being fairly light and sturdy at the same time, which lowers the unladen weight to merely 12.7 kilograms. However, the forks are made out of carbon steel, which does have the downside of being heavier, but in return it makes the fork sturdier as carbon steel is harder to bend as compared to aluminium, giving the rider a greater sense of security. The 20-inch tires themselves are 1.5 inches in width and offers better stability and traction even in rainy weather conditions when compared to other slimmer profile tires. Along with the dual disc brakes on the Ethereal Cruise, it makes the stopping power greater than any traditional rim brake setup. These brakes are less susceptible to less braking power during rainy rides or on wet terrains, making it safer to reach your destination when caught in the rain. As mentioned at the start of this video, the Ethereal Cruise is an entry-level foldable bike, making it the perfect bicycle for a beginner who has just picked up cycling. While keeping the price of the bike affordable at only $299, Ethereal has made sure that the parts used for the bike is not shortchanged and that it properly retains the core performance that Shimano delivers. It comes complete with a Shimano 7-speed gear set, cassette, derailleur, and shifter. The Pro Wheel 52 thingy chainring setup allows riders to maintain a decent cruising speed and cycle upsilts effortlessly when combined with the speed shifting available. In addition, I've also mentioned that the bike is foldable as well. Both the handlebar and frame can be folded, giving you the possibility of putting it in the boot of your car, taking it out, and folding it back to start riding your bicycle within seconds. The dimension when folded also allows you to bring it on public transport such as MRTs or buses, provided that your bike is folded properly in place, and we encourage you to only do so during off-peak hours. The Ethereal Cruise comes with telescopic handle post that is fully adjustable in terms of height and angle, along with an adjustable seat post that gives you complete control of your riding preference and postures. The maximum load that the Ethereal Cruise can carry is approximately 120 kilograms. This is the recommended limit. It is, however, able to withstand higher load, but do expect more wear and tear when doing so. Its dimensions are 150 cm in length, 55 cm in width, and with an adjustable height for the seat post between 64 cm to 100 cm, as well as 95 cm to 113 cm in height for the handle post. When folded, it becomes much more compact and portable, resulting in it being only 80 cm in length, 34 cm in width, and 69 cm in height. Now let me show you how the folding works. Firstly, pull up this lever and adjust the handlebar downwards so that it is parallel to the handle post before locking it back. Secondly, pull out this lever and adjust the height of the handle post like so before once again locking it back up. Thirdly, pull up the safety knob and pull the lever downwards to bring down the handle post till it touches the fork. Lastly, ensure that the pedals are below the handles before pulling up the safety catch and releasing the locking mechanism to fold the frame of the bike in this manner. You can then push the bike around or push on the seat to make it stand upright like so. Another advantage that the Ethereal Cruise has over the former EF20D is its versatility. If you are looking to upgrade the parts on your very own Ethereal Cruise in the future, you will be able to enjoy the high compatibility that the frame offers. It will cost you far less for both the time and money you may spend in the future if you were to upgrade or change the stock components. It is also possible to fully deck it out by putting a wide variety of accessories on it, but more of that in a future video. Alright, that's all for this showcase. Thank you for watching as always, and feel free to leave any questions you may have regarding the bike in the comment section of this video. We will get back to you as fast as we can. Bye!